me see, Chevy. Been sitting up a minute?
A little bit. This car I only use every now and again anyway.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of, as you can tell, it's kind of a beater. I use it to drive to work sometimes.
Okay. Yeah. See if that worked. I figured that wasn't gonna work. All right.
Come on, bro.
Yeah, man. That's how easy it be sometimes, man.
Yeah.
It's not like that all the time now.
No, I'm sure. I'm sure. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah, sometimes you don't, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, now for the most part, though, I don't have very many issues with them unless I think one time. Normally, if the lock rolls forward, that'll kind of give me some problems, but for the most part, I don't have most issues with it.
Well, especially with an older one like this, you know.
Yeah.
It's very simple, very easy.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah. I ain't gonna ask you for no idea. I'm good, man.